Hello and welcome to Initial Solution. In today's tutorial, I will show you how to add new fonts to Google Docs. So let's begin the video. First, open a document in Google Docs. Now click the font menu in the toolbar. You will see a list of fonts that are currently available. To find more fonts, click More Fonts at the top of the list. A font window will now appear. You can search for a specific font using the search bar. For example, you can search for fonts like Roboto. You can also browse through the available fonts. Once you find a font you like, click on it to select it. Then click Done. The selected fonts will now be added to your Google Docs font menu. I hope this video helped you out. Stay tuned for more helpful tutorials here at Initial Solution.
This video is sponsored by Girosoft. Girosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Girosoft today. For more details, check the description box.